Today I'm going to show you how to make this intros using Canva. Go to Canva and click video. Let's open this video resolution. Go to elements and scroll down to shapes. Choose the square and resize it like this. And change the color to black. Go to text and type your text. Let's change the font to Anton and change the color to white color. Place the text inside this black rectangle and download this image as PNG and increase the size. Download and drag it to upload. Select these elements and just delete them and go to upload videos, and after uploading your video drag it to the timeline. Adjust the size as you want and drag the image that we already made. Click on the image and remove the background. Let's crop it from here and increase the size. Make the text cover all the page. Let's crop it from here. Go to transparency and decrease to 50. And go to animate. Click create an animation and hold shift in the keyboard and drag from the right to the left. Decrease the speed and choose steady to make the text stable. Add new text. Let's change the font to glacial and change the color to white as well. Place it in the middle. Click on the text and go to animate. Scroll down and choose clarify. Click both and adjust the timing of the text. Let's make it appear for 2 seconds. And here is the first intro. For the second one, just delete this text. Go to elements and go to shapes and choose the square again. Increase the size to cover all the page and change the color to any color you want and decrease the transparency to 40. Let's decrease the timing. Make it appear just for 1 second. Animate with wipe and click both and decrease a little bit the speed. and duplicate and change the color and drag it a little bit like this, and add your text and change the color to white color, and let's animate with block and decrease the timing of the text. And here is the second intro. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.